Hello, we're going to speak about writing an opinion paragraph. We have already spoken about it. You have been watching some screencasts about it. Now I'm going to just briefly explain it again, and then I'm going to show you a sample paragraph that my previous students wrote. So when we speak about an opinion paragraph, let's just focus on the paragraph structure, which is universal for every kind of paragraph, let's say. We need to have a topic sentence. We need to have three major supports and three minor supports, and we need to have a concluding sentence. Generally, we are given a sentence, and then they ask us the question, do you agree or disagree? So first of all, we just need to decide yes or no. According to our answer, we actually take a stand. So first we start making our topic sentence according to the sentence we are given. Let's say if we are given a topic like this. When the woman earns more, it causes problems in the family. Do you agree or disagree? First, we need to decide if we agree or disagree, and then this will help us decide on the supports and also on our topic sentence, concluding sentence. So let's say we start with some sample topic sentences. Here I said, I think, in my opinion, I agree or I disagree that, and then we can just use this sentence here. Let's say, I think that when the woman earns more, it causes problems in the family. I agree that when the woman earns more, etc., etc. So this is our topic sentence. Just to remind you that the concluding sentence should also be parallel to what we have in the topic sentence, closing the paragraph with the same opinion. So here, for just some examples for concluding sentence, in short, in conclusion, to sum up, comma, this is important, I believe that when the woman earns more, it causes problems in the family for these reasons. The reasons are here. What's important here, you will see that they are in different colors. First, blah, 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 blah. This is my first major support. I make a sentence with for example and I open it, or maybe in addition and I open it. And then secondly, this is my second major. In other words, here it helps me to explain my second support. And finally, this is important here, finally, we don't use it for the concluding sentence. Actually, we use it as the last support. So finally, blah, 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 because, in other words, in addition, etc. So here, we have in colors the topic sentence here, three major supports, three minor supports, and the concluding sentence, which is wonderful. Now, let's see the sample opinion paragraph. So this question is from the text Love and Money. When the woman earns more, it causes problem in the family. Do you agree or disagree? We did it as a post-reading activity in one of my face-to-face classes, Mitkadmim Aleph. So, and it was a group work, and this is what one of the groups wrote. Let's read it together, and I'm going to color it together with you. When the woman earns more, it causes problem in the family. Do you agree or disagree? In my opinion, when the woman earns more, it affects the family negatively. Okay, this is a nice topic sentence here. Firstly, she spends more time at work. This is my first major support. Therefore, she doesn't have time for her house or to take care of her children. This is how we open the first support, which looks very nice. Also, this is the second support. Also, the man feels inferior, lower, in other words, when the woman earns more than him. Second support. She has more power and she can take more decisions. We have opened it up. Furthermore, the husband doesn't feel necessary. This is the next support. In the society, he does not feel comfortable because it's his job to bring the money to the house. This is the minor. Nice opening for the sentence. In conclusion, it's important for the woman to work in order to have another source of living and to improve the standard of living, but she shouldn't be superior than her man. Very nice. This is the concluding sentence. I'm just going to read the paragraph once more. In my opinion, when the woman earns more, it affects the family negatively. Firstly, she spends more time at work, therefore she doesn't have time for her house or to take care of her children. Also, the man feels inferior when the woman earns more than him. She has more power and she can take more decisions. Furthermore, the husband does not feel necessary and his pride is injured. In the society, he doesn't feel comfortable because it's his job to work and bring the money to the house. In conclusion, it's important for the woman to work in order to have another source of living and to improve the standard of living, but she shouldn't be superior than her man. Just reminding you some connectors here which help us with the flow of the text, the paragraph. Therefore, we have here furthermore, we have here also. Here we have because. Just to remind you, these help us a lot to make our paragraph clearer and easier to follow. Thanks for listening and watching.